Hey, Kyle here at Maple Systems. Today, I'm going to be showing one of our heavy-duty fanless industrial box PCs, the BPC2330A. Let's take a look. Okay, this is what the box will look like when you first open it up, and in the middle here, you'll see the Maple Systems warranty, and then also there is the BPC 2300 series quick start guide, and you'll see a product brochure, and then the accessories that this comes with are the antenna for optional Wi-Fi and also the digital I/O connector pins. And then inside here is the BPC 2330A, and it's in foam. And then here is the PC. I'll take it out of the anti-static wrapping. All right, here is the BPC 2330A. On the sides is the wall mount. So here you have HDD1 and HDD2. These are standard SSD expansion slots for storage. So this industrial box PC supports RAID 0 and RAID 1. And if you'd like to know more information regarding our storage options, you can reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. There are 2 USB 2.0 host ports, 2 DE9 serial ports, and your GPIO for your digital I/O. And so these pins allow the PC to interact with other hardware components by sending or receiving digital signals. The input pins can read signals like whether a button is pressed or a sensor is triggered. And then the output pins can control external devices like turning an LED on or off or sending signals to a motor. And right here is your power connector. You can remove this and insert your wires and then connect this and turn on your power. Display port right here is an HDMI port. This is capable of 4K or Ultra HD. Put that back in. And then there are 2 DE9 serial ports, DVI, 4 RJ45 Ethernet ports, and there are 4 USB 3.0 host ports. There are 3 audio ports here, line in, line out, and then microphone, and then your on and off button. And also on the sides here are optional antenna for your optional Wi-Fi. All right, if you flip the PC over, you can see here is the model name, and then underneath that is the basic build number. Now, if you want to reorder this PC, you will need to have the model name and the basic build number. Next to that is an embedded Windows license. So when you buy this PC, you have the option of purchasing it with an embedded or non-embedded Windows license. And in this image, this unit has an embedded Windows license, meaning the product key is embedded and activated for you at our facility before it leaves Maple Systems. So it's plug and play. And in this image, this is what you will get when you purchase the non-embedded license. You'll get this product key sticker where you'll need to scratch off the gray section to reveal the rest of the product key for activation. And I will share a link at the end of this video to another video showing you how to activate a Windows license. You also have the option of getting this PC with Linux preloaded instead of Windows. Okay, now I'm just going to power on my PC. I have a power supply going into the power connector here in the PC, an HDMI out going into this monitor. This is one of our monitor 6000s. It is our 15-inch model, and you will see the Windows program on the monitor. So now I'm going to turn on my power supply, and you'll see the Windows logo, and you'll see the user welcome screen, and there it is. Well, that's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our industrial box PCs, you can always visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.